Hello everyone, welcome to the semicolon. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make Chatbot, an application which is going to talk to us based on the data which we train it on. So I'm very excited about it, and let's get started. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how we can model the data, our text data, to feed it as an input to our LSTM neural network. So let's get started. So I have to import all these libraries, and I'm changing the directory, which seems to be a bit of problem, and I've got errors already. Okay, so I have to execute this, and the errors were because of the slash here, which I've now removed, and I'm importing a pre-trained word-to-vec model from the AP News corpus, which is available for downloads, and I'll mention the source in the links below. So my data is here in the conversation.json file, which I'm loading, which is in the corpus folder in my directory of Chatbot, and I'm doing this. So what I have here is all the data. So you can see our training data looks like this. Good morning, how are you? I'm doing well, how about you? And so on. So this has many such data, and we'll be training on a short data set of 86 sentences, but you'll be shocked to see how good our model is based on this small data. So now what we have to do is we have to model the input and output based on this corpus. So what we'll do is we'll have question and answers. So questions will have this one sentence, good morning, how are you? Answer will have I am doing well, how about you? Then question will have I am doing well, how about you? Answer will have I'm also good. So then we can generate 86 question and answers like this. So we create two lists, X and Y, and then we try to generate our model. Then so what we do is we are trying to get our data and append questions in X from this variable. So let's start doing that, and we'll have our data in X and Y soon. The X and we have not executed this, and now we have questions and we have answers, and then what we do is we tokenize it, and tokenization is separating each word. So now we have a sentence to be tokens of words, so which is good morning, how are you? So each one is a token. Now what we do is we create a vector of all ones so that we can append this at the end of our sentence. And now for every word in our vocabulary or every word in our corpus, we are trying to find a vector for it in our word-to-vec model. And once we find the vector, we are creating our sentence to be a vector of word vectors. So our sent vec would be the vectors of word vector, which we are appending in this list. And let's do this, and this is done. So similarly we do it for vec y, and we get all the models, and I hope we can see the variables here. So our variables are visible here, which if we load are too huge, which may crash this system. So now what I'm doing is I'm clipping off all the sentences, all the words which I have after the length of 15. So after the length of 14, I have is null array. I'm deleting all the words here. So let's do this and make all the sizes same. Now let's wait for it. I'll show you what the dimension looks like, and now I'm appending sent end to make the size of the word, to make the size of sentence 15. So if our sentence has a word hi, then it will look like hi and then 14 vectors sent end. So that is how our data is going to look like. And I'm doing the same thing for y as well, and you'll see why it is important. And then I'm appending all these sentences with sent end, and I'm saving this as a pickle dump. So this is important because in our next tutorial we can directly, instead of this pre-processing of our model, we can directly load the model and then use it. So that is what we are going to do in the next tutorial. So we have our dump as a list of vecx and vecY, which are our corpus in the GenSim word to vec form. I have to remove this, and I'll be uploading all the codes on GitHub, so you can get it from there and implement your own chatbot. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and keep watching. Thank you. We'll continue this in the next tutorial.